is to anchor the high-level theoretical concepts with immediate, practical classroom micro-scenarios that an educator could easily visualize and implement.
Micro scenarios. I like the sound of that. Give me an idea of what that looks like in the context of this semantic homogenization issue.
Sure. So a concrete example would be when discussing the danger of unstructured AI usage leading to homogenization, include a brief one-sentence scenario showing an unstructured prompt yielding a generic, algorithmic median image.
Like a student just typing a spooky school and getting a totally generic stock photo?
Yeah, precisely. And then immediately contrast that versus an engineered prompt utilizing local constraints, like the brutalist school facade or rusted lockers mentioned later in the text, to demonstrate the exact pedagogical correction.
Oh, so bringing in their actual physical environment to force the AI out of its default average.
Right. It clearly demonstrates the exact pedagogical correction a teacher needs to use. Clarify that providing microexamples is just one method of increasing actionability for this audience, but it's highly effective.
It really is. It takes this looming abstract threat of AI flattening creativity and shows exactly how the teacher steps in to demand specificity.
Yeah, it bridges that gap between constructivist theory and, a visible classroom reality.
Okay, well, this has been a really thorough look at the material. Let's concisely summarize the three main actionable takeaways.
Sounds good.
First, sharpening the boundaries of evolving literacy against traditional frameworks like NAMLY.
Right, don't let it hide in the shadow of traditional media production.
Second, structurally bridging the gap between massive industry tools like 3DGS and GANs and the step-by-step student workflow.
Definitely. Insert that dedicated transition.
And third, anchoring deep theoretical concepts with actionable classroom microexamples for educators.
Perfect. That will dramatically elevate the practical utility of the review.
We warmly invite the listener to implement these suggestions